Hey guys, welcome to Val's Media. I'm Omina Valentine, and today we have an amazing tutorial for you guys. So I'm going to be putting you guys through on how I took this picture from this video. I did a screenshot. I took this picture from this video and took it to my Lightroom and did some kind of amazing cinematic effect, and also dived down to my Premiere Pro and did something more cinematic with this. So guys, I'm going to hop on my system and I'm going to show you guys on how I did this. So this is the video here. So this clip here, I'm going to pause and I'm going to go down to where I want, so which is right about here. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to do a screenshot, which is over here, and take snapshot. So that is saved. So close my video and I go to my pictures where it's saved, go to my screenshot. So this picture here, we're going to transform it into something cinematic. So I'm going to now click this and I'm going to open this in my Lightroom. And do some color grading and adding some effect. I'm also going to take that background, I'm going to make it black to make it look like we took that picture in a very cinematic area, I guess. So we have the picture here, and just click import. So we have our photo in Lightroom. So what we're going to do now, we're going to expand this to give you guys a clear view of what we'll be doing. So here, first of all, I think we should crop this. We should crop this and make it more balanced. And here, take this down, take this down as well. Make sure it's aligned. Call it the rule of third, I guess. So let's rotate this a little. You can see the effect here, in case you're not really seeing a very clear view of what you want. You can see how it is over here. So let's give it a little bit. So hit done. So now we're going to head over to our exposure, contrast, the basic color or lighting effect for this photo. So we're going to take this down. We're going to bring down the exposure. Take the contrast up a little bit. You can see the background is already painted, but don't worry, we're not going to lose our light even on the head and on the cloth, even on the skin. So we're going to take that down and increase the highlight. So I think I'm going to give it 50. The shadows here will come down a bit. Let's get the minus 50. Just trying to get what we want. Then the black a bit, the white not too much though, but that should be a fair number. How is it looking now? Let's check the before and after. So now you can see there's a little bit difference. So don't worry, we're going to show you how to take away this. Don't worry, it's not going to be something that will be so hard. So you can see the before and after. So now we're going to still work more on the images and add a little bit of clarity. I try to, most times I just impute numbers and see how it looks like. That's what I do most times. You get. So the haze, we're not really going to touch that, but now we're going to go down to our color adjustment. Here we're going to play around with this greenish blue. We want to take this up. You can see the effect, a little bit of effect though, but when we come it down to the blue, you can see that. But I think I want to give it more color and take this to just keep the color real. I think this is what we have. But it's more sharper and clear. So now come down to your lens color correction. You make it look more profile-like, selecting now. I used my phone to do the video. So we are going to go to our vignette and give it more aesthetic. Is it aesthetic? I don't know. Aesthetic. Thank you. Aesthetic look. So we're going to give it more aesthetic look to this image. This is aesthetic. I think. Now we want to make it more. So just make that more, and now you can see it's gone. But now I think our head is going into the shadow. Yeah. So go up now and increase our highlight so we can have our head, and take down the white a little bit to keep this normal. And take the white down, and let's bring this up just a little bit more, and that. Yeah, so let's see. What do you think? I think that's better. So now this looks too orangey. So let's go down to our color. So we should just take this down a bit to, yeah. Now this looks like a human hand. Now this, I'm loving this. I think this is the best edit I've had to the one I did earlier. I think I've just seen a little bit of black here. So we're going to like go down to our vignetting and see what we can do. Maybe increase the midpoint. Yeah. Okay. Let's make it -30 or 30, I guess. So I think this is okay. Isn't the midpoint too much? Let's take it down a bit. Yeah. Okay, this is better. This is better. Yeah. Smooth. So now this is what we're going to do. We are going to now export this beautiful image we both created. So hit on file and go to the export, and it should bring out this dialog tab box. Yeah. So I'm using my putting subfolder in pictures, white thumbnail, and okay, maybe I'll do another tutorial on how to export high quality using Lightroom, because most people have actually encountered or had experience with the export, and the quality of the Lightroom, of the image they did in Lightroom isn't that. So I'll do a separate tutorial on that, on how to export using Lightroom. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna click the export and wait for this to be done. And as it's getting there, I just want to hit you guys on something. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and we've come to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, I'm just kidding. Moving on. So moving on here, we head on to the white thumbnail, and okay, I'm just supposed to open this one for you guys though, sure. But yeah, this is our image, looking sharp and interesting. So now we'll open our Lightroom Pro. So when we open this, now we're going to create a new project. We're going to name it the Cinematic AD. That's Mr. Adeda. Cinematic. Did I spell that correctly? Cinematic AD. Dope in it. So hit OK. A-OK. Okay. Here we are. So I'm going to just drag and drop our clip so that it just creates that sequence. Create that sequence of that exact size. So that, because if we try to create our own sequence, it's going to give this kind of not rendered file stuff. So we want to create it using the exact size. So just drag and drop that image in Premiere. And now you see it. Now this is it. So now for that loop, we are going to add some assets I downloaded from YouTube. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for you guys to check it out and also download it if you really want to do this. So yeah, this is our image here in Premiere. So now the first thing we're going to do, we are going to import that cinematic sound. Yeah. Down and play. No. Okay, I need to reduce the resolution. They have warned me. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to make this 30 seconds long. Yeah, so you guys can enjoy the effect. So yeah, we have this. I really felt it so much. So yeah, now goes our downloads. So we added some fire and smoky effect. So I think this was one of the smoke I added. Drag and drop that in Premiere. Yeah, import files, and I'm also going to add that fire feel beautiful effect. So I think this was on the yeah, you can see that, so we're going to drag and drop this here, and voila. So don't be scared about this. So we just need to go to our effects controls and just change the blending mode to screen. Now you can see that. So now what we're going to do is do some readjustments and go to our rotation and just take this to this place, and let's play. Oh, do you see that? Do you see that? Well, the action film is coming soon, Sha. So let's just duplicate this to make this exactly. I think I'm going to adjust here and adjust here, and maybe adjust here too, and duplicate this and adjust here a little bit. I just like the short clips, and wow, this is awesome, guys. I made this. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, that's that about that. So to create this is really amazing, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We've come to the end of this video, and I'm so glad for you guys to stay true to the end. And thank you. We are going to create more, and stay tuned on my next video, because we are going to be telling you on how you could export in Lightroom, okay, giving that quality the same. Sorry, keeping that quality the same.